Hello everyone, this is Jeet. Today we are going to learn the access permissions. So this is a new module introduced within ServiceNow, which is very helpful for the developer who does the daily debugging activity. And this is something for the developer, and I will show you that how the access permission works. So before starting that, I hope if you are new to the service now, then there are two portals which is very helpful for you, and you must register first yourself over there, and from there you can get this PDI. So this is called PDI, Personal Developer Instance. So I would recommend to use those two portal to get some hands on this, and I will brief this in my description. So let's start with the access permission. How does it work? So this is very helpful for the developer, as I said. Why? Because previously what or how we were doing the debugging, it was very tough for the developer, and that's why this is something, a new module introduced from the service now. This module specifically, by the name you can see that it's analyze access and permission. So a developer can just check the allowed permission for a table, for a specified user. So there are three options almost. So one is user, you can check it for group, you can check it for role, and you can check it for the specified user. So here you must be familiar with the very basic user of the service now out of box, which we get an able tutor. I will select it. So here today we are going to see that how we can see the access permissions for the incident table. So there are many rules. So you can see that it's a client callable script include. You can check it on UI page and REST endpoints as well. So here I'm just going to show you the basic things which we have and which we encounter in daily to daily activity. So let's select the table or record. For which table? So I will select, for the example, I will take incident, and here you can see there are two more fields, that is select record and select field. So in this case, if you want to see the particular record access for the this user, the able tutor, then you can select the record from here. It will show all the list within the incident, and this is only accessible to the system administrator or the developer who is working on the debugging. So whether you can select a record or directly you can see the table access for the able tutor. So let's click on the evaluate access. So the result is popped up. So you can see by name permission for able tutor. So it will show all the basic CRUD operation for the table. So overall access it will show for the able tutor. So you can see the read operation, write operation, delete operation, and create one. So create one something here. Overall access, it's showing the status of the permission. So read is passed, write is passed, report on is passed. So query range is passed. This is also a newly introduced. We will, I will tell you about this in new session. So you can see this create also. It is passed. What is blocked for the able tutor, and that is delete. You can see. So it is very easy to analyze the ACL's permission for the able tutor by this module, by utilizing this module. So it is very quick to get the idea that if user is having the access or not. It is very helpful for the developers. So I will be very quick here. I just wanted to share this to everybody who is beginner or who is are those who are the experts. So thank you. I will come back with the new session and new learning. Until that time, goodbye, take care, and happy learning.